So remember that time I said that I wasn't going to do any more exploring until this quarantine is over? Yeah, that was a funny time because I'm doing nothing but exploring because it's the perfect time. I was going to say that's all there is to do, but there's a lot more to do, but it's a perfect time for exploring. But it's also a sucky time because everybody's out and about. So people who have never explored before are going out into the woods and they're finding all our abandoned places. So that kind of sucks. But today, I don't know if you can guess where I am. It's train tracks. And wherever there's train tracks, there's the possibility of an abandoned train. But this isn't a possibility. This is a reality. I'm at an abandoned train right now. I'm actually looking right at it. And I started to get worried because it doesn't look at all abandoned. It looks like one of the newer Purple Line trains, but it's got graffiti all over it. So I think it is. But this one is supposed to be super awesome, cool. It's supposed to be all vintage inside and have like this cool vintage dining cart. And it even has like ceiling fans in it. Like trains don't have ceiling fans in them. Like I've seen pictures. So I'm here now and we're gonna check it out. Let's go. I keep stopping to cough because on my way here, a bug flew into my mouth and now I'm worried that the bug was carrying coronavirus and now I'm gonna get it. But anyway, so I'm like choking on this bug. It's lodged in my throat, it's gross. Anyway, here's the ghost train. Not ghost as in haunted, just ghost as in dead on the tracks, abandoned, no passengers. So we call it a ghost train and it's huge. It goes all the way down. It goes on and on and on. I don't know where the good part is. We're gonna have to find a way in. I don't know how to get into this. And it's one of the, it's the T. But so that can't be the good part. And this, yeah, I'm confused. We're gonna have to find where the vintage train carts are. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm starting to get worried that I'm at the wrong ghost train because I don't know. And also there's a business way over there on the other side of the train. But I wanted to say, if this ends up to be a dud, there's literally an abandoned house back there in the woods. Like on my way to the trains, there's this abandoned house in the woods. So, and it's all covered in like vegetation. So we're gonna check that out after this. Okay, I think we've made it to the good part, but look, there's this company right there. You can see the loading dock and they're very much busy. And there's construction people right on the other side of this train doing work. Like there's, yeah, see, we got to get away from there. But look, that's open. But I'm kind of glad the construction people are over there in case these trains are filled with murderous hobo rapists. They will hear me scream for help, right? I don't want to go up there because the construction people will see me. I think there's a door over here. Oh, this one has steps. Awesome. And we got to watch our step. Thank you, train. Okay, let's check this out and see what we got. Oh my God, there's my reflection. I absolutely thought that was a person. Anyway, it's got that abandoned train look. I can get some good selfies in here. Okay, I'm gonna skip that car because it looks like they get older and older as you go down. But you also get closer and closer to the construction. Look at that train. That looks vintage. That looks old. Okay, so I gotta crouch down so they don't see me over here at that factory. This is like a big, like, chore. I did not think there'd be a bustling factory filled with essential workers. They're not quarantined. They're very much busy. Okay, I'm gonna shut the camera off while I covertly military style crawl towards that train. Hold on. Look, it's the Cod Central. It looks like the Animal Crackers train. The Animal Crackers circus train. This has to be it. I'm so excited. Let's check it out. Oh good, there's a tree in the way. They can't see me. Oh crap, look. What? Oh, this is the one. Ah, what? Okay, number one place I never expected to find Christmas decorations is a train. And look, it's all what is going on here? What is this? Let's find out. Look at the old keyhole. Hello. I need to get in there. I mean, if worse comes to worse, I can vault through this window. But come on, let's go. Oh, wait. How dare they lock the door? Let's try the other end. So yeah, I had to crawl through the window because the other end was locked. So yeah, that was fun. And really, that looks cool. Look at the red, my red face. I'm really here just to take the awesome selfies of me in the slightly retro train car. But let's do a little walk down, a little runway walk amongst the Christmas ornaments. There's even like packages. I hope these windows are tinted. What is this? That is a puzzlement. I'm just in a state of confusion over this. But these seats are old. The seats in newer Boston trains don't look like this. This reminds me of when the very rare times I'd take the T when I was a kid in the 80s, which wasn't, my dad used to just drive into Boston, but sometimes we'd take the T and the seats looked like this, but they were more bright red. These walls are all carpeted. What's in here? Ooh, that is not locked. Or maybe it is. Oh, I bet there's awesome things behind this door. Or it's another bathroom, who knows? Anyway, so that's this train car. It's pretty cool. Not something you see every day, right? I'm showing you something new, right? Okay, I'm gonna take selfies now. Okay, I'm on the floor of the abandoned train because all the workmen out there can see right in to this train car. And I don't know if these windows are tinted on the outside, but I'm back and forth taking selfies and filming, and they're all right there. And sometimes they look this way, and I'm just waiting to get some type of security over here, and I have to jump through that window that's back there. See, look, that guy right there, if he just looks to his left, he can see me in here, possibly. And then there's a bunch of guys over there. You can't see them, but yeah. So I'm gonna leave this train car. I have to crawl on the floor to do this. Okay, while I'm crawling on the floor, hiding from the workmen, I found a fake nickel and a train ticket. One adult train ticket, good for one round trip passage. Pretty cool. Vintage train ticket. This isn't that vintage. I think it's probably 70s to the 90s, but this ticket's pretty cool. Okay, I'm out of here for real. I gotta crawl through that window right there, and I'm not gonna film it. Oh wait, now I found a book. Ooh, with a CD. Oh, it's the Polar Express. What? The Polar Express. Why is the Polar Express on this old train? This was not the Polar Express, despite all the Christmas decorations. Maybe they did. And there's the DVD. Okay, weird. If anyone wants it, I'm leaving it here. So, I think I might have looked at pictures of two different trains. Even though I enjoyed this. That car we were just in was cool a little bit, but I thought I saw pictures of a much more vintage train. Okay, we're back at the purple trains, and I only looked at one, so let's see if these are the ones that actually have the cool stuff. Okay, no, they're not the ones I thought, but I like these. With the maroon and blue seats. This is pretty cool. So maybe all the cool stuff is in these. And there's a door right there. So let's see what happens. Oh, wait. Maybe it's that. Oh, dude, it's that fucking train, right? Oh, dude. That's the fucking train. It's not this fucking piece of shit. Oh my God. It's that one. Oh my God. There was another train over here. Okay, let's start over. Ignore everything you just saw. Maybe I won't even include that in the video. Oh my God, let's go. Okay, here we go. This looks vintage. I'm running around the wrong goddamn train. I hope this is the one, but this looks old. Now I'm all excited. How do we get in? Oh, right here. Okay. This might be exciting. The real video starts right here. Oh, yes! Yes, it is! There's a dining car in here. Look at... Okay, I'm starting over again because I went on and on about how this car has little tables. And I'm like, oh my God, the chair converts into a table so people can eat, but that's totally not the case. It's just somebody folded the back up. That's not supposed to be a table. Absolutely not, because look, there's one here, and there's nobody to sit at it. So, yeah, but come on, doesn't that make sense? Look at that. That looks like you could convert that to a table, and these two people can sit and eat at it. And I totally thought that was a napkin holder. So you understand my stupidity. I don't don't know. That might be what it is. Like if nobody's sitting there, you can convert it to a little table. Let's just go with that. And if it's not, it should have been, right? Okay. This one looks like it got burned. Oh, it's the diner. It's the dining car. This is what I wanted to see. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm literally so, oh my God, I'm so excited. Look, look. Oh my God. Look at it. That is so friggin' cool. This is like when I found the bowling alley at the Hamuac Lodge. It's a vintage looking diner on a train. What is all those pictures back there? Dead bodies, bags of dead bodies, cool. Look at these stools. Oh my God, I love them. They swivel, look at that. Oh my God, they swivel, I'm sitting in those. Look, a slow cooker. They're cooking food slow. I'm taking that down and putting it where it's supposed to be because that's gonna ruin my picture. There's the napkin holder. Oh my God, that's gonna look awesome in my pictures. Oh my God, this is amazing. Look at this. And what are these pictures? What are these? Oh, there's tomatoes, and then there's farmers on a plow. And this guy, like a cranberry bog. I think those are cranberries. They are, because I think this went to Cape Cod, and isn't Cape Cod known for cranberries? Well, all of Massachusetts is known for cranberries. But and then look, they're like running the cranberries through a cranberry machine to make cranberry juice for all of you people who like that, because I think it's disgusting unless you put vodka in it. That is awesome. What is this? Look, what is this? Where am I going? Oh my God. Was that a phone? I bet that was a phone. Oh, Dr. McGillicuddy. Wow, that's like college flashback right there. Look at that old-timey gate. That's an old-timey train gate. What's in here? I'm super excited. Oh, look, a private car. This is the private car. This is where people had lots of sex. And then they got a mirror. I look way too well dressed for this occasion, this dirty, dirty occasion. They got their own little sink, and you put your used towels there. They got a bathroom, their own bathroom. Oh my God, private car. Look, their little towel holder. Oh, look how cool that looks. Ooh. And it's still got the towels in it. And there's two of them. Oh, there we go. Yeah, that looks better. And what is this? There's another mirror. That's so cool. Look, that's like leatherette. It's like the kind of thing a yearbook cover is made out of. And then look at this. Ooh, I'm gonna fall through the floor. Because this has been burned out. There's the ceiling fan! Oh my God! Remember I said there were ceiling fans? Because when do you see a ceiling fan in a train? You don't ever. We wasted so much time in that other train. I like this little doorway. Oh, I gotta take pictures. I'll be back. Here's something you don't see on a train anymore. These are all little ashtrays on each armrest. I think they could also be used for small trash items like candy wrappers. But yeah, those are all little ashtrays. So around this corner, drinking water. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look, that's where you put the drinking water. And then it dispensed it. Oh, look at that. Used cups. I love it. Look at how vintage that looks. We're getting a picture of that. That is just beautiful, right? Oh yeah, that's the... Oh, this is a different private car. Oh, look at that vanity. Couldn't see it in the other one. Oh my God, fell through the floor. Totally fell through the floor. I just did it. Look, another ashtray. I love it. Look at that. I love that. I love the private car. I love it. Look at that door. That is awesome. It's got little portholes on it. What are in these little compartments? Wait. Oh my God, it's like with the engine. Okay.
Morning, Doris. Can I get 2 fried eggs, 2 strips of bacon, and some coffee? Coming right up, Mr. F. Okay, Charlie, I need 2 dots and a dash and a belly warmer. This is the best thing ever. Any minute that loudspeaker is going to be like, hey, you in the train, get the fuck out. Look at this. Abandoned train car diner. When do you see that? Never. This is some good urbex right here, right? I'm so glad I found this. I almost went home, remember? We wasted all that time over there. I need napkins. Doris, we're out of napkins. Where'd she go?
Okay, goodbye. Awesome dining car. That still has grease, I think. Anyway, goodbye. Don't let the vandals get to you. Doesn't look like they've done much. Oh my God. I thought that guy was talking to me. It's the kitchen where they cook the food. Look at this. Little doors above this vintage oven. This is where Charlie and Ani cooked their food. They had 2 dots and a dash. That's 2 fried eggs and 2 strips of bacon. I just learned that. I Googled it. Cash box. No cash. There's never any cash. Ever. There's a lot of garbage though. Oh, look at this. That's cool. Oh. I clipped myself on the latch. Okay, let's shut the doors and not fall through the floor. I saw that seat in the last abandoned train I was in. Did I go? Oh, like, did I go in here? No, because that's outside. Okay, so that was the abandoned trains. The good ones over there and the not so good ones in back of me. But this was still pretty cool once I found the good ones, the vintage ones, the dining card, basically the dining card. That was the wow factor of this video. The car with the Christmas stuff was kind of cool because it was like, why was that there? So that's kind of interesting. And it looked kind of vintage. So I'll include the first set of footage because it's funny that I went in the wrong trains, but They were still abandoned trains. So you got to see some boring ones and then the cool ones, which are over there. So if you ever go to this place, you find this train and you go over there. You go closer to where the guys are working, and hopefully they won't be working that day. Can't forget that. So I'm gonna see if I have time. I do have time. I'm gonna see if I can check out that abandoned house that's up there in the woods. I'll make that a separate video. So I will bid you farewell. Oh, I'm getting eaten by these friggin' bugs. Gross. Okay. Bye.